Good morning, students. I'm very glad to see you in this today's session, and I welcome you all. And in my last class, we discussed about that exercise 12.1 and the ratio. What is that ratio? Ratio is that comparison of quantity which is in the same unit. Okay, so comparing by division, it is called that ratio. And in that ratio, whenever we are going to find that ratio between any two object, any two things, remember that you have to look at that whether it is the same unit or not. Okay, so anyway, we will go into today we are going to see that the remaining problems, which are the problems we didn't do that in exercise 12.1, that one we are going to do. Okay, so anyway, so take a note and just note it. Okay, students, today we are going to see the remaining problems in that exercise 12.1. Okay, so exercise 12.1 remaining problems. Okay, in the last class, how many problems we discussed? Actually, sixth problem, totally 6 problems we finished, and seventh problem, find the ratio of the following. Okay, the first one, so find the ratio of the following. Okay, find the ratio. Find the ratio of the following. Okay, the question number 1 in that first one, 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. So A, 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. Okay, so whenever you are going to find that ratio, you have to remind that the ratio should be same unit or not, whether you have to check whether the both quantity is same or not. If it is not same, means we have to make it as same, as I said in my previous class. Okay, anyway, so here minute they given, here hours they given, so you should not take it as directly. So 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. So instead of that, you have to convert either minutes into hours or hours into minutes. So which one will be very easy? So that one you have to convert. Okay. So when we are converting minutes into hours, means it will come what's called decimal value will come. So forget about. So we have to convert 1.5 hours. So hours into minutes. Okay. Okay. So first one, question number 1. 30 minutes. Okay, so 30 minutes and 1.5 hours. So 1.5 hours. Okay, first you have to know that for 1 hour equal to for 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so 60 minutes for 1.5 hour means, see, 1.5 hour. So 1.5 hour means so 1 hour 60 minutes and half an hour for it is 30 minutes. Okay, so 60 plus 30 totally 90 minutes. So when we are converting 1.5 hour into minutes, means 90 minutes will come. Okay, students. Okay, so first thing you have to notice that 1.5 hour, it is 90 minutes. Okay, so here you have to find that ratio between, so 30 minute and 90 minute. So after converting that 1.5 hour into minutes, means 90 minutes we are getting. Okay, so first you have to know that 30 minute 90 minute, so ratio. So ratio means you have to put that is to, that symbol. Okay, so 30 minutes is to 90 minute, means we can able to write 30 by 90. Okay, so 30 by 90. So 30 by 90 means, see here also 10, here also 10, so cancel it. And whether you can check it which table that both number 3 and 9 will divide. So first one 3s are 3 and 3 3s are 9, so that means 1 divided by 3. So 1 divided by 3 we can able to written as 1:3. Okay, so this is that answer for the first question. Okay, so 30 minutes to 1.5 hours. So the next thing is question B, the option B, 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Okay, 40 centimeter to 1.5 meter. Okay, so remember that one. Whenever you are going to find the ratio, check it as whether it will be the same quantity or not, same unit or not. Now here centimeter they given, and what about here? Here meter they given. So you need to convert either centimeter as meter or meter as centimeter. So which one will be very easier? That one you have to do it. So 1 meter. So 1 meter, which is equal to 100 centimeter. Okay, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. Okay. So 1.5 meter means 1.5 meter, which means 1 meter 100 centimeter. So 1.5 we can write 1 plus 0.5. Okay, so 1 plus 0.5 meter. So 1 meter 100 centimeter, half meter 0.5 meter means half. So half meter means 50 centimeter. So 100 plus 50 centimeter. So which means that okay. So 150 centimeter. So after converting that meter into centimeter, 150 centimeter you are getting. Now you can find the ratio. Okay. So that one 40 centimeter is to 150 centimeter. Okay. So 40 centimeter is to 150 centimeter. We can able to written as 40 divided by 150. Okay. So first one what number, that one you have to write top. And second one, what's the number, that one you have to write at the bottom. Okay, so you have to remember that. Okay, so 40 divided by 150, so 0 0 cancel, and 4 divided by 15. So 4 divided by 15 means there is no number which can divide that numerator and denominator. So we can leave it 4 by 15. So 4 by 15 we can able to written as 4 is to 15. So 4 is to 15 is the right answer. Okay, students. Okay, next one, 7th one, C problem. Okay, 7th one, C. What is the thing is 55 paise to 55 paise. So 55 paise to 1 rupees. Okay, so 1 rupee means we have to put the symbol 1 rupee. Okay, so you know that for here they given paise, that means paise, and here they given in terms of rupees. So 1 rupee. So you have to convert either paisa into rupee or rupee into paisa. Okay, which one is easy? So 1 rupee. So 1 rupee, which is equal to 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Okay, so 100 paisa. Okay, and that means you have to convert into rupees into paisa. So 1 rupee equal to 100 paisa. Now you have to find that ratio. So see, so 55 paisa, 55 paise to 100 paisa. Okay, so that means you have to take that. So 55, so 55 paise divided by 100 paise means we can able to write 55 divided by 100. So 55 divided by 100 means you can check it whether which table it is coming. Okay, 55 divided by 100. So 55 divided by 100, that means which table it will come, actually which table the both number can divide means we can divide by 5 table, right? So 1 5s are 5, 1 5s are 5, that means 11 5s are 55. Okay, if we divide it means, so here 2 5s are 10 and that 0 you can include, so 20. So 11 by 20. So 11 by 20 we can able to written as 11 is to 20. Okay, am I right, students? So 11 is to 20. So this kind of we can write, because no other number which can divide 11 and 20 both. Okay, so we can leave it here. So 11 is to 20. Okay, so 11 is to 20 is that answer. Okay, students, so 11 is to 20 is that correct answer. So in that D problem I will give for your homework problem. Okay, so 7th one D. So 500 ml, that means milliliter, to 500 milliliter to 2 liters. Okay, so 2 liter actually. Okay, so what is, how to find this one? So I will give a clue, you have to do it. Okay, so first one, here you have to look at that, this is ml, that means milliliter. This one is called liter. Okay, so you have to know that how many liters, that means how many milliliter will be equal to 1 liter. So I will give that. So 1 liter equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, so after that by using this one you have to convert the liter into milliliter, and then you have to find the ratio between that 500 milliliter and 2 liters. Okay, so you have to convert 2 into 1000, then you have to do that same process, and you can divide by which table it is coming, and finally which number you are getting, that one you have to write in terms of ratio. Okay, so in the next one is actually, so 8th one, in a year Seema earns 1,50,000 and saves 50,000. Find the ratio of money the Seema earns to the money she saves, and the money that she saves to the money she spends. Okay, first one we have to write the question. So in a year, okay, so in a year Seema earns, okay, Seema earns 1,50,000 amount. Okay, so 1,50,000, sorry, so okay, 1,50,000 50,000. Okay, so 1,50,000, sorry, here yes, 1,50,000. Okay, so 1,50,000 and saves 50,000. So saving amount is 50,000. Okay, so saving amount 50,000. And so what is the question? First one, they asked money that Seema earns to the money she saves. So you have to know that to before what is the statement? Money that Seema earns. So Seema earns amount is 1,50,000 to money she saves. So she saved that saved amount is, saving amount is 50,000. So we have to look at that first one, that how to find that ratio. First money earned, so earn amount. Okay, so earn amount, here I will write 1,50,000. Okay, and saving amount, here I will write saving amount 50,000, saving amount 50,000. And for this one, so 1,50,000 50,000, for this we have to find the ratio. Okay, so 1,50,000 divided by 50,000 we can able to write, no, so in terms of here division, 1,50,000 divided by 50,000. Okay students, so see, don't get confused when you are dividing this one. If you look at that 0, so all the one first from last onwards, here 1 0, here 1 0 we can cancel, here 1 0, here 1 0 we can cancel, here 1 0, here 1 0 cancel, and here 1 0, here 1 0 cancel. So that means here 1 5, here 1 5 we can cancel as a no. So before one number is there, so that number we have to include, means 15 will come. Okay, so 15 divided by 5, we should not cancel this 5 and all, so 0 only we can cancel. Okay, so look at that, before what number is present, that number will be combined with that number, so it will become 15. So here 1 5s are 5, 3 5s are 15. So that means 3 divided by 1 we can written as 3:1. So the answer for that first one is money that Seema earns to money she saves is 3:1. Okay, so 3:1. So this is that first answer. And the second one, what they given, so money that she save to see spend amount. Okay, so first one you have to know that, so spend amount we have to find. What is that spend amount? How much amount she spend? Okay, so spend amount means total amount minus total amount, that means sorry, total amount. Okay, so total amount, how much, total 1,50,000 minus saving amount. So saving amount means this one. So total amount, how much? 1,50,000 minus 50,000. So 1,50,000 minus 50,000 means, so money she spent, that we can find. So 1,50,000 minus 50,000 means 1 lakh. So 1 lakh is the saving amount. Sorry, saving amount, not spend amount. Okay, that this much amount she spent, 1 lakh. Okay, so what is the question they asked means money she saves to the money she spent. So how much amount she saved? So saving amount we have to write saving amount, and to spend amount. Okay, spent, how much amount she spent, so that amount we have to write. Okay, so saving amount, how much? 50,000. Okay, 50,000 to 1 lakh. Okay, so 1 lakh, and 50,000 is to 1 lakh. Okay, so 50,000 is to 1 lakh means we can able to write 50,000 divided by 1 lakh. So 50,000 divided by 1 lakh. Okay, so first last onwards 1 0 1 0 cancel, and here 1 0, here 1 0 cancel, and here 1 0, one more 0 cancel, and here 1 0, here 1 0 cancel. So finally 5 divided by 10. So 5 divided by 10. So 5 divided by 10 we can cancel into 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. So that means 1 divided by 2 we can written as 1 is to 2. So 1 is to 2 is that correct answer. Okay students, so this kind of only we have to do that problem. So anyway, in the following slide we will move to that next problem also. Okay. Okay, then moving to that next question, question number 9. So question number 9, just read that question.